The OnePlus Open is finally in-house. Now, when I tell you I've been waiting patiently for this one, yo, that would be a lie. I was getting kind of salty. When the Pixel Fold came out, that would have been a nice one to have. I really wanted that one. And then the Fold 5 came out. I wasn't too worried about that one because I get all the other Samsung devices. But I knew as soon as this one was announced, this was the one I wanted. We got the OnePlus Open. Let's just dive right in. Now, I don't think we need an unboxing knife for this, but you know how YouTube does. Let's go ahead and slice the seal right there. Boom. And there we have it. Oh, so when it opens up, it opens up. Yo, look at that. See, this is a presentation. Now, I have been doing as much avoiding as I could. I haven't watched anyone's video. I low-key don't even remember what color I ordered. I'm 85% sure I ordered the black. But look, when it opens up, the first thing you get is the device. Now, usually I save the device for last, but yo, we are cracking this open first. I don't even care about what's in the box. Let's just get to the phone. Now, whoo-wee. Yo, are you serious? This is straight fire, son. It's a really nice size. The back feels really nice. Now, I'm not even gonna lie, I am kind of nervous because I haven't been able to find a phone case yet. Let's go ahead and do the first power on. This feels incredible. This is a really nice size. Yo. Now, I'm not gonna lie, that camera is tight big. That's a big camera. Let's go ahead and peel off the sticker. This is straight fire. Really like this size. Now, the last foldable I had was, I'm coming from the Z Fold 3. Now, I actually traded this in. I've had the Z Fold 3 for like the last 2 years. So I'm actually trading this one in for this. I got like $500 for this. And funny thing is, I paid $550 for this one, for the Z Fold 3 like 2 years ago. Best Buy had a crazy deal. Probably won't ever see anything like that again. But I actually paid $550 for this one. So I'm only losing $50 after 2 years. So look at the size comparison. And I think I am pretty sure that the OnePlus Open is lighter than the Z Fold 3. Let's get a side comparison. That camera does be poking though, and that camera got a dong. You got the alert slider on the right side. You got the volume buttons. Glad to have the alert slider. I'm guessing that let's see. There's, yeah, got that. I'm guessing, if I know OnePlus, the fingerprint sensor should be built into the power button just where it should be. That's why I like the Z Fold 3, because it's built into the sensor, just like the what is it, the Z Flip 5, the Z Flip series, built into the power button. Yo, this feels really nice. It's a really nice hand size too. So the last OnePlus device I had was the OnePlus 11. So here's the size comparison to that. No, my bad. This is the OnePlus 10 Pro. I skipped the OnePlus 11. So this is the size comparison. The reason I skipped the OnePlus 11 is because the OnePlus 10 is so good right now. Yo, this phone is going to be good for a long time, but that's the reason I didn't get the OnePlus 11. But I knew there was no passing this up. This size is right. Is that, and you got the flat display. You got the flat. All right, let's see what's in the rest of the box real quick. Did we get that out? Of course, OnePlus, you got the charger. Now, I am kind of confused why it is a type A and not type C to type C. But yo, you do get the charger. Yo, take note. What else is in here? Now, like I said, I'm not sure what we get because I avoided reviews like the plague. And we get a case. A case? Yo, look, I'm a little too excited. I do a lot of case reviews. I like cases, and I am finding no cases available for this phone. But guess what? We got a case. All right, that takes off the worry just a little bit. But I am glad to have a case. I thought I was going to have to rock it naked. Now, it's not the best case, but it is a case. Let's see what else is in here. So there goes the charge cable, the red cable. And then you got booklets, you got a Red Club card, you do have the little dongle adapter. Look at everything you get. Then there goes the SIM ejection tool. What is this? Oh, you get some stickers? You get some stickers, OnePlus? See, this is an unboxing. This is what I miss. I am so glad I didn't watch anybody else's review. Now, I will definitely leave this out the box. I'm going to need this. But I do have the Type-C to Type-C charger that came with let's go ahead and get this out. See, this is a nice unboxing. I like that. That made me happy. But yo, I am really liking the build of this one. Let's go ahead and take the case off real quick. Now this side is on there. Okay. Take that off. I cannot wait to dive in and get actually, this video has been going long enough. I'm excited to go get everything set up. Think the case go like that. Let's see, boom. All right, yeah, it goes like that. This is the OnePlus Open. We did get the buds, but I know absolutely nothing about them. I might do a YouTube short unboxing or something. But as you can see, I am a little too hype about the OnePlus Open. So size comparison one more time. Here goes the OnePlus 10 Pro. Can't believe it's smaller than that. It feels so good in the hand. If you know, you know. And then you have the Z Fold 3, which is being traded in. Look at the size difference. Let's see what it looks like when it's open. So boom, boom. Okay, so it is wider. It is wider, but it is shorter. This is such a nice size. Can't wait to get this set up. And one more size comparison. Here it is next to the Z Flip 3. The Z Flip 3, I think they're about the same width. Well, I do have a case on, so they're the same width with the case on. But yeah, OnePlus Open. Yo, let's go get it set up. I'll catch you in the next one. Later.